Welcome to today's workshop where we are diving deep into how to turn long-form content into viral clips without the usual headache. Many of you know Vizard for quickly spitting out shorts, but today we are going to explore how it handles much more complex workflows. If you are joining live or watching the replay, let me know in the chat what tools you currently use for your clipping process. The main promise of Vizard is simple. You take one long video and it generates a bunch of viral-ready clips with an automated scheduling engine. To demonstrate this, I have uploaded a recent live stream of mine because it is perfect for testing, featuring long-form conversation and screen demos. First, take advantage of the smart presets, which automatically adjust your aspect ratio and safe zones for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram. Creators always ask me if these tools handle long podcasts. And the answer is absolutely yes, because Vizard processes lengthy files with ease. Once you hit the Create Clips button, the AI analyzes your transcript to detect camera-facing moments and emotionally charged lines. I personally prefer to let the AI find the candidate clips first, and then I quickly skim through them to keep the perfect balance of speed and control. For the best results, use the AI to do the heavy lifting of clipping and then manually touch up the high-potential clips for that extra polish. One feature I rely on constantly is the auto editor that strips out hundreds of filler words and awkward silences in just a few minutes. Generating SRT files for your captions is another huge time saver that makes your content more accessible and helps with search algorithms. If your video mentions a specific location or concept, the platform can even suggest relevant stock B-roll to enhance the visual storytelling. To keep your brand consistent, make sure to upload your specific logos, fonts, and backgrounds into the template settings. If you need professional-level control, you can export your project as an XML or EDL file directly into Premiere or DaVinci Resolve. For those who are serious about detailed editing like thumbnail creation or precise cropping, I always recommend using the desktop version. The full timeline mode is perfect for when you want to process a long podcast but keep total control over where the clips start and end. Pay attention to the content performance score for each clip, which acts like a second opinion on the pacing and hook potential of your edit. Inside the editor, you can easily crop your frames, switch between various layouts like split screen, and adjust the caption styles. Because the editing process is non-destructive, you can experiment, undo mistakes, and reapply different presets without any fear. Vizard really occupies that sweet spot between basic clip tools and overly complicated professional post-production suites. Unlike many competitors, Vizard integrates scheduling directly into the workflow, so you aren't stuck posting clips one by one manually. The audio enhancement features are incredibly useful, letting you remove background noise and boost vocal clarity with just one click. By using the content calendar, you can batch your posts over several weeks, which is a massive game changer for maintaining consistency. One helpful pro tip is to use the asset library to teach the AI your specific proper nouns and brand phrases so the captions stay accurate. If you need to make longer segmented videos for platforms like YouTube, simply use the full timeline mode to export your desired range. Remember to be strategic with your credit usage by letting the AI handle the heavy batch work while you save your manual polish for high-impact ads. While the AI is incredibly fast, always take a moment to review the final export because creative context is something only you can really judge. Whether you are an educator making micro-lessons, a podcaster creating highlights, or a marketer building a webinar campaign, the workflow remains consistent. Vizard is one of the best tools I have found for balancing speed and quality, and it is definitely worth testing if you are drowning in raw footage. Check the link in the description for a trial, and please tell me in the chat what your biggest current struggle is with video editing. Thanks so much for joining me today. Hit that like button if this was helpful, and I will see you in the next stream.